Okay, we will wait a question from Benjamin.
Okay, so firstly, we asked for the cooling of.
Yes, for the chiller, for the water cooling, it's need for the forge need water cooling, but you have a different solution. You can buy industrial chiller of approximately 2 kilowatts of cold, not of electricity, for the smallest, and one of 5 kilowatts of cold for the biggest. And the second solution is to have a tank with a pump and you use the same water. It's a closed circuit. For the smallest, you can use approximately 200 liter or maybe 300 liter. And for the biggest, it's important to have a minimum 1000 liter. And you can use the current water but you will have a waste. Okay. Second question, maybe. Sorry, we have some difficulty with our cameraman.
Next question: what do we use to insulate the toilet?
We use concrete, but high temperature concrete, and glass fiber for the outside the copper tube. Maybe I will show you outside and around the copper tube. You have the glass fiber to insulate each spear, each circular coil, and inside you have a concrete. It's the same concrete that there are in the chimney. I don't know. Fireplace, yes.
You can say it's very easy to make.
Yeah, it's easy to make because it's just a copper tube, and we use a standard connection. It's a Certo, and it's a standard connection. You can find in the professional shop store.
So there are some questions about the capabilities of the machine. So, for example, what's the largest steel bar you can heat with the 7 kilowatts, but also what can you expect?
Maybe a square of 20 by 20, maybe. I don't know. Okay. I don't know where I messed up. Yeah, 20 by 20. It depends the temperature that you mean. For welding, it's smaller. But I don't know. What is the size of our Damascus?
20 by 20 around.
20 by 20 around.
It's sort of the limit, I think.
Yeah.
After that, it's more long.
Yeah.
It's longer to heat.
It's longer. Yeah.
Yes, some people were asking what the temperature of the bar. It's completely right.
But which temperature it was?
Which temperature you can reach?
It depends of the size of the bar and the power of the forge. You can reach if you have enough power, you can reach welding temperature or.
As you saw, I was at welding temperature, so around 1400, 1450. And then in other metals, you can go higher.
Yeah, in
For
stainless
what?
steel, for example,
Titanium, maybe.
titanium, maybe, yes. You can eat every metal.
Do you need distilled water or you just need normal water?
You can use normal water, but it's preferable to use distilled water because you can make you can have a calcaire. I don't know if it's English terms, but if you use distilled water, it's good. But now we use classical water; it's not a problem.
Okay. Could you give a 360 shot of the machine and give us some specification? And can you show the controls?
Yeah, there are two handles, and this is more simple. And on the biggest, I will just a pedal. Okay, can yeah, it's just a pedal, simple pedal. Foot control. And on this there are two handles to control power and the time. The weight, I don't know exactly, but this is 25, yes, 20, or no 25, 30. And this is very, it's, no, it's very light. It's maybe 5, 7 kilo, between 5 and 7.
Did you give the specifications?
Which specification? Okay. This is the kilowatts and etc. No? Yeah. And donc this 7.2 kilowatts, two power voltage possible, one in three phases 400 volt or single phases 230 volt. And this is 24 kilowatts, and it's only in three phases 400 volts.
Okay. They're also asking if we can see the chiller system.
Yeah, but it's oversized, but it's a gift for our supplier, and we accept the gift. Oui, ouais, enfin, ouais. It's a very bigger chiller, yeah. With this, you can work all time, every time, because you not need you needn't bigger or big chiller, because you don't use the forge every time. You eat and after you forge, and you don't use all time. There are some time to cold water, and it's better. But if you use, you need this chiller if you use every time the forge, like industrial application, not artisanal application.
Okay. So we have some question about price.
Yes, the price is not already defined for the smallest, but the targets, we work on it because it's a new product for us. It's new product for the artisanal, but we have already industrial forge, industrial system, but it's a new for the artisanal application. And the target price for this is approximately 3,000 euro, and without taxes. And for this is 10,000 euro without taxes.
What is it like with aluminum?
What is it?
Aluminum.
Yes. It's a work with every metal. The working condition for induction is just electricity conductivity. Yes, you can eat everything that which conduct. Yeah, it's conductor, electricity conductor. Copper, aluminium, stainless steel, etc. Gold, of course, but it's expensive to work with gold.
Can you eat two bars at the same time to fire weld them together?
Yes, it's the same application that we make with Damascus billet, or with the three bar that we weld. It's the same, but you can make each side. It's not a problem.
Okay, so how do you calculate the coil material length on diameter to function? How do you make the
Yes. You can make approximately, you need to have between 1 and 2 meter of tube, and you need have between 4 and 6, 7 turns. Yes, and after the diameter, you need to have the maximum power. You need to have approximately space between 10 millimeter, 10 and 15 millimeter. After, if you have a bigger space, it's not a problem, because if you have a bigger space, you have a smallest bar, and it could be interesting to have a less power, because you will eat too fast if you have a lot of power with a small bar. It's interesting to have coil size corresponding of the starting bar, and after, when you forge and you you have a smallest small bar, it's better to have less power. Sorry for my English.
how does borax react with the copper on the insulation material?
Yes, the borax could be with the concrete. It's not a problem. Maybe with the time, you can have a hole, but it's not a problem. You put concrete again, and you preserve your coil.
But the coil is very easy to make. So if in any way you make trouble with the coil, you change, you make another one. It's I don't know, it's 10 minutes or 15 minutes you make it. So
yeah.
Some people are asking if they can upload on YouTube the video.
Yes, this video, this webinar, was recorded, and we will put on YouTube maybe next week, I think.
On our own channel.
Yes, our own channel. It's yeah. Oh, sorry for my English understanding. Yes, if you want, it's not a problem for us. I think
We ask
it's
you
okay.
on the website. They ask you.
Yeah.
They can upload.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ouais, bah, oui. Enfin, it's okay.
Again,
Ouais. Oui. Oui, it's okay.
someone asked to confirm that the max size for the smaller unit is 20 by 20.
Yeah, maybe you can eat much more because we don't have the coil to eat more, but the maximum will be 25. Not very.
Maybe 40 by 10.
Yes, you can eat 40 by 10. Yes, it's the maximum capability. It's a weight. It's a quantity of metal. The shape it's not really important because yes, you can have 40 by 10 or 20 by 20 or circular 30 circular. It's the same. The important is the weight of metal that they are in the coil.
Will we provide a chiller with the machine?
No, we don't provide, but we can provide the chiller, but it's not us that make this chiller, and it's not interesting for you. Not interesting. It's not good for you if we buy and after we sold you. But we can give you our supplier, and if you want, we can buy for you. But
What do the yellow levers on the small unit do? What do the control do?
yeah, and this control the power level, and this control the time. If you put it, you have maybe 10 seconds, and if you put it, you have every time. When you push the pedal, the foot control, you hit.
Is there a comparison on cost of electricity between electricity on coal?
It's difficult for me. I can give you the the price for electricity in France. In France, if for example, this forge, if it work 1 hour, it not turn on, and if you use this for it 1 hour, you will consume €2 of electricity in France.
If you constantly
If you constantly push the foot control. When it's just turn on, there are no consumption of there are no electricity consumption. To have electricity consumption, you need to have a bar and push the foot controller. And when you eat, if you eat 1 hour, and it's much it's a big time because for it there are few 10 seconds, and you use approximately €2.
Yeah, and electricity in France tends to be a bit on the cheaper side.
Yeah, in France, the electricity is €15. Yes, 15 cents per kilowatt. Yeah, but it's less the coil, coal or gas because the gas and the fossil will increase in the next years.
When is it going to be available?
For the smallest, it will be available. It's depend because we will start if we start us first series, we will start on October. But yes, which it will be available at the end of this year or the beginning of the next year, I think. And the biggest, it will be available in 2 or 3 months, maybe 2 months.
Some people have, Flo has posted the brochure in the chat, and some
Yeah.
people have read it. And someone is asking how long will the remote coil pad be?
Yeah, for flexible, yeah. We will we have make a prototype now, and but I don't show you today because it's not really finished. We need to work on it few weeks, but the first prototype work, but it's not really finished. And the long of this remote will be 2 meters. Because for the moment it works with 1 meter and the target is 2 meters. C'est ça qu'on parle. I can show you the remote, but not in work because it's just a prototype. But we have the prototype. The target is to plug in, and after you have this part to make a coil and it. Yeah. Okay, but just a prototype for the moment.
Okay, next question.
Yes.
Is there some temperature safety for the circuit board?
Yeah, there are sensors inside, and when the temperature of water of electronic is too high, there are security and the forge block the heating, and you must wait a few 10 seconds. But if you have a water enough cold, there are no problem. You can use continuously.
It's already available in France?
Not really. The products that are already available are our industrial product, and it's the same product, but it's composed of 3 boxes. One for the induction generator, one for the matching network, and one for the control, for the power control, etc. And for the blacksmith, we have decided to put everything in one box because we think it's much more friendly, much more useful, and it's not available for the moment. We have just sold one biggest forge for the moment, but it will be available in 2 months for the biggest. Yes. Okay, it's okay for the question. We will say goodbye. And thanks for your attention. And I will give the micro for Pierre.
Okay, thank you. It was a pleasure to show you this kind of heating. I think it's very, very interesting. And all this is recorded and will be on your channel. So see you. Bye-bye.